Hello friends, I am going to explain one for the best opportunity to make good returns in today's fast-moving world of technology. Let's say, if you had invested in insurance, you would expect returns up to 20% per annum. And if kept in bank as fixed deposit, you would have get up to 11% per annum at the maximum. If you had bought shares, probably you would make up to 20%, considering company has made good growth. Let's say, if you had bought one Bitcoin in the beginning of its journey to this world, it would have given your millions of returns. Yes friends, in the year 2010, Bitcoin rate was $1 and it has touched around 60,000. Means, it would have given you returns of 60,000 times to your investment. Now Bitcoin has reached the peak of its growth. Today it is trading around $50,000. So, the right time to buy, I think we have almost it. Now it is not recommendable to buy this asset at such high value, as we may not see the same growth as previous. But we are happy to give one more best opportunity to make millions on your investment. It is Happiness Token. This is developed with the help of Tron blockchain, and its supply is limited to 51 crores 51 lakhs only. This is the first coin which was announced to donate 11 crore for social welfare and to help the COVID-19 patients. Happiness Token is listed on more than 6 exchanges, and today its trading price is $0.245. Currently, its daily volume trading is around $1 lakh. Major traffic is on La Token, Vintex, and further short exchanges. Next, we'll explain how to active member to grab all the income opportunity of this HPNS token. The Happiness Token is a Tron blockchain cryptocurrency, so you can use Tron Prolink or any other wallet which supports Tron blockchain. You must activate with a minimum of $60 to be eligible for all the incomes. ID can be activated with $60 and can be upgraded with multiple of $60 only for every ID package value. Current value plus upgrade value, maximum income from all types of income is 350% only. After reaching 3% of your package value, you can either top within 24 hours to continue all your incomes from your team or exit the program by not upgrading the package. Keep in mind one thing, if you upgrade from $60 to $60, then your ID will be 120. Now you will only upgrade from the equal package or bigger package. With unlimited upgradation, on every $60 package, you will get $2 per week for 52 weeks. You will get $104 for $60 in 1 year as personal staking income. Next income type is referral staking income, where company gives you referral matching user. Suppose, if you introduce one left user and one right user of any value, one left and one right is matching pair of user. So you will get $2 every week for 52 weeks. Similarly, if you introduce 10 direct members on left and 10 direct members on right, you will get $20 every week for 52 weeks. For first 10 such pairs, you will get $2 every week for 52 weeks. From 11th pair to 20th pair, you will get each pair $3 every week for 52 weeks. And from 21st pair to unlimited depth, you will get $4 for each pair. Next income is 2 team incentive. To be eligible for this income, you must introduce 2 members, one on left and other on right of any package value. Please remember this note for this income. $60 left and $60 right is 1 point. For every matching point, company pays you $3. You have a time period opportunity to increase the matching income. Suppose, if you introduce 2 members on left and 2 members on right within 7 days of your ID activation, you are upgraded to rookie rank with matching income of $4 per pair, and so on. If you introduce directly 10 members on left and 10 members on right within 15 days of your ID activation, you are upgraded to Pro Partner. Pro rank brings you a lot of exciting income. Firstly, your matching income is $6 for each pair. Secondly, monthly $50 fixed salary for 12 months, and also become monthly 2% company turnover in each month. Company turnover will be shared equally among all the members. Also, it will increase the weekly referral staking income. And so you will get one more last time period opportunity to increase your matching income. Once you have 10 direct Pro rank members, it can be on left or right or combined. Your rank is upgraded to expert. Once you become expert rank, your matching income is $7 per each pari, with fixed monthly salary of $500 for 12 months and 1.5% in company's monthly turnover, which is shared among all expert members. Top rank in the company is legend rank. To achieve this, there is no time bound. To achieve this rank, you should have 10 direct expert. It can be left or right or combined. Once you achieve this rank, you will get $5,000 fixed salary for 12 months. But if you achieve this rank within 60 days, then you will get 1% monthly turnover as royalty, which is equally distributed only between legends. Next income is star bonus. If you have 200 rookie partner in left and 200 rookie partner in right, you become bronze star and you will be eligible to earn an fixed salary of $100 for 12 months. Similarly, if you have 500 rookie in left and 500 in right, you become silver star and earn $250 salary for 12 months. Likewise, if you have 1000 rookie partner in right and 1000 rookie partner in left, you become gold star and earn $500 a month salary for 12 months. Similarly, if you have 2500 rookie in right and 2500 rookie in left, so you become platinum star and earn a fixed salary of $2500 for 12 months. In the same way, if you have 10,000 rookie in right and 10,000 rookie in left, so you become diamond and you earn $500 salary for 12 months. Likewise, if you have 2500 rookie partner in left and 2500 rookie partner in right, so you earn 10,000 UXD fixed for 12 months. Please note following important points. ID activations and withdrawal will be done only with HPNS token. Your daily matching income capping is as per your package value and maximum capping is $3,500 irrespective. Any higher package than $3,500. Withdrawals are open only on each Wednesday and Sundays. Minimum withdrawal is $10 with charges of 5% on each withdrawal. Currently, withdrawals are processed only in HPNS token. Income wallet funds can be transferred to your team only. Please visit our website on https://legend.hpns.club. For all updates, subscribe to our Telegram channel.